Ever wondered how Netflix recommends movies you might like, or how Amazon suggests products you might need? This is no magic trick, but the work of data science, a field that's as fascinating as it is complex. Data science is everywhere. It's the foundation of many operations in our daily lives, from our online shopping habits to our social media interactions. It's a multidisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. Imagine a vast ocean of information. Data scientists are the explorers setting sail on this ocean, navigating through waves of data. Their compass, algorithms, their destination, insights. They use these insights to create solutions, to predict trends, and to make our lives a little bit easier. These are just some of the tasks a data scientist might undertake. Now let's delve deeper into a real-life case study. Imagine you are a data scientist working for a large retail company. Your task is to predict next month's sales. Where would you start? The first step in this process is data collection. As a data scientist, you would pull together data from various sources. This could include past sales data, customer demographics, and even external factors like economic indicators or seasonal trends. This data acts as the raw material for your analysis, the foundation upon which predictions are built. Next comes the cleaning of the data. In the real world, data is messy. There are missing values, outliers, or inconsistent entries that need to be dealt with. This step is crucial, as the quality of your data determines the quality of your predictions. It's like cooking. The better the ingredients, the better the dish. Once the data is clean, it's time for data exploration. This involves understanding the relationships between different variables. For instance, you might find that sales increase during certain months or with certain customer demographics. This step is about uncovering the patterns hidden within the data, the stories it has to tell. Now, it's time to build a predictive model. This is where the art of data science comes in. You use statistical or machine learning algorithms to create a model that can predict future sales based on past data. It's like learning from history to anticipate the future. Finally, you make the prediction. Using the model, you predict next month's sales. But it's not just about the numbers, it's about understanding what those numbers mean for the business. How will it affect inventory, staffing, or marketing strategies? As a data scientist, you provide insights that drive decision-making. With the right tools and skills, you have now predicted next month's sales and helped your company prepare for the future. But the work of a data scientist doesn't end here. The world of data science is constantly evolving, and with each new data set comes new challenges and opportunities. As a data scientist, your journey of discovery is never ending. In the world of data science, learning never stops. Why is that so? Well, data science is incredibly dynamic. It's a field that evolves at the speed of light, with technology constantly changing, trends shifting, and new data emerging every second. This ever-changing landscape means that the knowledge and skills you possess today might not be enough tomorrow. Imagine being a sailor navigating uncharted waters. To successfully reach your destination, you'd need to constantly adapt to the changing winds and currents, right? Likewise, in data science, you need to keep up with the waves of change to stay afloat. New tools and techniques are continually being developed to handle the vast and complex world of data. It's crucial to stay updated with these advancements to leverage their potential fully. Remember, in this field, stagnation is regression. The more you learn, the more you grow. The more you grow, the more valuable you become. So, as a data scientist, you are always learning, always growing. So, what have we learned about the life of a data scientist? Well, we've delved into the curiosity that drives this profession, understanding that data science is not just a job, but an integral part of our lives. It's a field that shapes our reality, from the recommendations we get online to the medical treatments we receive. We've also explored the daily grind of a data scientist, showcasing how they navigate through mountains of data, extract insights, and use their findings to solve complex problems. We've even walked through a case study to bring this point home, demonstrating the practical application of data science in real-world scenarios. And let's not forget the continuous learning journey. We emphasize that data science is an ever-evolving field, requiring constant upskilling and adaptation to new tools and techniques. Data science is not just a job, it's a journey of discovery and learning. And who knows, you might just be the next data scientist to make a big discovery.